Friends, Pop-Tarts, pastry mates, lend me your ears.
Oh boy, we're going off the crust again.
Did we get it? I think we got it.
Pop-Tarts! Crazy good.
If what I saw is true, war is on its way.
We've got to fix this, or Loki will be lost forever.
Great. This entire place is going to be destroyed. They have one shot at this.
Whatever we do, we're playing God.
What could we have done differently?
Loki Season 2, new episode streaming only on Disney+.
BK Royal Crispy Wraps. Eat it with the meal or have it as a snack. Only $2.99. It's a hunger hack and it fits in one hand.
The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for northwest.
I'll deal with this tomorrow.
You won't.
When stains and odors pile up, it's got